Is a crank no start. So let's just show you guys what it is. I don't think I hear the fuel pump kicking on, but I've already seen something that sticks out to me. This instantly, as soon as I open the hood, I can't inspect the battery. This right here, this is a buzz, pretty much like a little mini fuse box. Is 100 amp. So from my theory is this triggers the fuel pump and also the spark to the engine. You can push this, look, it's like a circuit breaker to reset it, but if it's not connected, it's not getting power from the engine itself, it's not going to work. So we're going to repair that real quick and see if we still have the no start, crank no start issue. So we'll be right back. So we repaired that wire that was the solder was just, I don't know, I don't think it was soldered right, but we repaired the wire and we got our ground cable connected to our negative terminal. Now we're gonna just check to see if that side of the fuse box is getting power. So we're gonna check the volts on the battery, 12 volts. Now we go to the wire itself, 12 volts. See that around the bolt? No, the back of it. And we are at 12 volts now. So now we have power going through that fuse. There you go, baby. That's how Garcia Mobile Mechanics fixes the issue. I guarantee you, somebody would have tried to put a alternator on her starter, battery, instead of, you know, just the simple things. Look, that's little, but you can see how you can miss that. You can definitely miss that, but I don't. Garcia Mobile Mechanics.